of September 2024. We're getting off of US 78 onto Georgia 11. We're going to go through Monroe. Today our plan is way ambitious. I know it's way too ambitious. We're not going to get all this stuff done. It really needs to be, if you're going to do it even halfway right, it needs to be a two-day deal. But we're going to try to do it, and I don't know how well we'll be able to do it. I don't know if we're going to even be able to get out here or not. And ride the bike, come back through Mansfield, maybe ride the bike, come back through Social Circle, ride the bike, check on our brother-in-law and sister-in-law Cece in Covington, come back up through Monroe, ride the bike. And as you can tell, that's already much more than we can do. It's just not going to work. But anyway, we will be possibly using the Samsung S20, the Samsung S22, the Samsung S22 Ultra, the DJI Osmo Action 3, the GoPro Black 10, the Insta360 Tabs 3, and maybe the DJI Phantom 4 Pro drone. I don't know. Probably we're not going to get half of all of that done. Send me that Toyota truck, cheap. But, you know, that's what we're thinking. Oh, and we'll also be using the Pruvio dash camera, 4-channel dash cam. And it's basically got 4 cameras, so the front, left, right, and rear. So we're going to have so much video. Trying to process it, download it, process it, edit it, upload it is going to be pretty much impossible. We need an assistant so bad. Downtown Monroe, Friday, the 6th of September, 2024. Okay, yeah, it's about 67 degrees, going to about 77, about possible rain today, 86, 70 tomorrow. Yeah, we have got probably a good week of video that we have downloaded, but we haven't even looked at, much less started processing to upload. We have got a lot of video that we haven't even looked at. Most of this we probably will not even look at. We'll get it downloaded, but most of it we probably won't even look at. It'd be something for 2 or 3 rainy days for this winter, I guess. Yes, we need a female assistant that'll jump in the van with me and take off around the country. But what we need and what we're going to get are 2 different things. Why don't you just cut over in front of somebody? cut this off, go ahead and put it together and start uploading it where y'all will know what our intention for today is at least.